Have you ever wondered how an insect as small as a termite can construct a mound so massive, it rivals human-made structures in complexity and scale? These tiny creatures, often regarded as pests, are actually nature's engineers, renowned for their extraordinary mound-building abilities. Termite mounds, towering structures that dot landscapes across the globe, are not just heaps of soil. They're central hubs for termite colonies, providing shelter, protection, and a breeding ground for these industrious insects. Far from being uniform, these mounds are labyrinths of tunnels, chambers, and galleries, each serving a specific function within the colony. What's truly remarkable is the way termites regulate temperature and humidity within these mounds. They've mastered the art of creating their own microclimate, ensuring their survival in varying weather conditions. Using a system of vents and chimneys, they facilitate air circulation, keeping the mound cool during the day and warm during the night. But how do these tiny architects achieve this? The secret lies in the strategic placement of soil particles and manipulation of airflow. These insects are constantly monitoring environmental conditions, adjusting their construction activities to create an optimal living environment. Termite mounds can vary greatly, depending on the termite species and environmental factors such as soil composition and moisture levels. Some mounds can reach several meters in height and last for centuries, standing as enduring monuments to the industriousness of their creators. But termites are not just builders. They're also crucial to ecosystem functioning. In tropical regions, their activity contributes to soil fertility and helps maintain the balance of carbon and nitrogen. They break down dead plant material, recycling nutrients back into the soil. So next time you see a termite mound, remember, it's not just a pile of dirt, it's a testament to the ingenuity and adaptability of these tiny engineers. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of termites and their architectural marvels, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Wild Wonder for more fascinating insights into the natural world.